Hi guys, this is Arshal Gosavi, and today's our topic is abstraction. So, uh, in yesterday's video, we discuss about what is an interface, and in today's video, we discuss about uh, abstraction. Uh, I was saying that mm, for the reason behind that yesterday's video is related with abstraction. We can say not related. It is a part of an abstraction also. So interface is in a part of abstraction. From interface we can achieve 100% of our abstractions. So why this sentence having a meaning of that 100% achieving abstraction, because of that reason behind that, that is the totally abstract methods are present inside the interface, and the class can implements an interface, but class cannot extend that interface, but interface can extend the interface. Now this is we discuss afterwards, after some time, about when we are getting what is abstraction, and how it's working. After that we discuss, or we come on this point, what is that class extends class, or class does not extend abstraction. But at the time, just keep in mind abstraction achieve in 100%, interface achieve the 100% of abstraction. So need to that what is interface and concern with that contents, we need to known that what is an our abstraction. So abstraction is nothing but and data hiding technique, or we can say in other words, we can hide our data from user, or fetching the data, who is fetching the data. We can only given some essential things, or we will try to keep our backward programming regarding to that program, or regarding to that concern of that project. Those If we want to hide the important information from that user, and only get an essential data that need for that user, only that data will be show. This method can, or this phenomenon can achieve by our abstraction. So if we give an real time example, that is a four wheeler, can this four wheeler is the best example for understanding the abstraction. It can be, or how it can be best example, because when driver driving a car, at that time he is continuously changing the gears, but but the persons present in car only see the the driver is driving a car, and he is only changing the gear. The gear change mechanism is happen inside the gearbox, and that cannot be seen by that inside the person, those who are present inside the car. Those persons does not getting how the mechanism is driving, or how the mechanism of gear changing is executes. So this is the abstraction. Basically we say that hiding our important data from the user, and only providing the essential data, and the output to the user. So interface, in interface there is an two types for achieving an abstraction. In abstraction there is and two types for achieving an abstraction. First one is in by abstraction, we can achieve by abstraction 0 to 100%. We cannot say that up to, we only say that 0 to 100. We not exact say that we can achieve abstraction by abstraction 100%, not. In second or case, the abstraction achieved by interface, that is 100%, perfectly 100% abstraction achieved by interface. So basically what the difference behind that, so difference behind that, in abstraction there is an in abstract class there is an method which can be abstract or non-abstract method can be present, but in interface there is an only presence of our abstract, purely abstract methods. What that methods can be, or what the abstract method can be. Abstract methods are those who have not contain the body of that method. So those method who are not containing the body, that methods known as abstract methods. And these abstract methods, only purely abstract method contained by interface. And in abstraction, there is an abstract or non-abstract methods also can present. Because of that non-abstract method we cannot achieve the 100% our abstraction. And in interface there is an exactly opposite phenomenon is there. Because of 100% or pure abstract method are present inside the interface, because of that we are achieving the 100% abstraction. So friends, this is the basic these are the basics about our abstraction and interface. Thank you.